10 minutes makeup arc, no foundation, no primer, no finishing spray. Thank you for joining my first YouTube makeup tutorial. Oh, this is a sigh of finally. My name is Maria Obi, and this is Evolving with Maria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Drum feels exciting. Currently, I have no makeup on. I don't intend to waste your time on this video. I have a simple face prep. I don't use primer, sweat block, or anything. This is my face prep. This is my toner. So I just put it in my hand, and this is what I do. This toner is a babe. Soak up into my skin, and you're gonna see how my skin will begin to like glow. And you see already. So next is my moisturizer. I use my sunscreen. This is Skin Aqua. I'm going to show you the arc of sunscreen. You're welcome. So I just rub it in. I know. Just trust the process, okay? The part where I focus on is my under eye. So I go in with extra. You will know why later. Another arc. I had sunscreen to my lip. Sunscreen is actually good for hyperpigmentation. I do not rub it. No. Allow this to sit after few, not even minutes, most of the time seconds. Get into the skin. Into my lips, moisturize, no dark line. This is how your sunscreen should be applied. I don't even have to actually blend in anymore into my skin. It's already sitting pretty. I'm not using no foundation. For the sake of this video, I'm going to try and use the Milani that I always use under my eye, and this is actually why I always moisturize my under eye. I just hope this Milani will actually come out for me today and not give up on me, because girl has been through everything with me. Oh, wonderful. So this is how I go under my eye. You know, I like to give my eye like I come here. Yeah, I'm just focusing on what's important. You see, this is the illusion that you definitely want to give your eye, and I come here. You know, some people just go like this over it, and here. Guys, I actually don't like doing so much around my forehead like I used to, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it. Okay, I don't like to touch my forehead anymore. I do not even know why. Like, when you just get comfortable with your makeup, you just explore different things, to be very honest. Now I'm going to blend in. I need my mirror so that I can see perfectly. So I hope you can see this. So I just go ahead and blend. This blender has been with me through a lot, because my face is well moisturized. It's going to blend in. Just have to learn to trust the process. Thankfully, I noticed early enough. I love to make sure that this angle goes up here, because it's going to give you like a cat eye illusion, like swaps your face up. See, it's going to the angle. So you want to make sure it goes to that angle. I'm going to use my mirror. We do this blending till every product is sitting properly. Please do this thoroughly. Be very thorough with this, because like I said, we are not using no foundation, so you want to make sure at least this you get right. So you tap 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 tap. I don't know if you can see, but some parts here are not well covered. You can just go ahead and add more concealer to any part that you want to tap it in, because I'm trying to cover the bag under my eye. Just the process, like I said. Next, I have my CPD liquid blush. I just go in with two different shades. This is the CPD powder blush. I interchange them depending on what look I'm trying to get. I'm just going to go in with this. I like to go in with the red, then some of the pink, then I tap it. Yeah, can you see? That's the shade I'm gonna get on my face. So I go in here like this. You have to touch this part. Okay, go in like this. For me, that's my contour, because I'm not the contour kind of girl, you know, where you put all the darker shade. Go in with this, bring it here. Yeah, I never forget my nose bridge. Introduce my powder. I use the V Beauty palette. Super duper affordable, and you get many shades of powder. I'm going to go with this. This one is my color for powder, and this one. I'm not a eyeshadow girl, so I just go in with my powder, either this dark one or this. I used to use this one for my nose contour and this part, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this one that is close to my skin. You need like a brush like this. It's an angle brush. You have to tap off the excess product. So I go in here. You're going to see the effect. I go in here and I go here. You have to know what you are doing. You are taking it to your brows and bringing it like this to your nose bridge to contour your nose. Okay, so I'm going to also apply where the shadow is supposed to be. Okay, sometimes I bring it out here to bring it to your nose yet again. Don't forget to take it to your brows a little bit. Okay, sometimes I do my blush after this step that I'm about to show you, but this is Zaron oil control mineral loose powder. The oil control powder that's going to make sure the under eye does not crease. I always put it in the cover like this. Have this puff. I put it in like this. Always make sure that I just off the excess. Always, because you don't need too much. And most of the time, people tap it on at the back of their hands. For the sake of the video, I'm going to do the same. So this is what I do with this. Make sure you go in as softly as possible. Bring it to every part of your face that gets oily properly. Sorry. Here, I don't really dust off the product because it's the corner of my nose, and that girl is an oil factory. This place right here. And I go here too, and under here you tap off the excess. You go in. Now I'm videoing it so I can see from the camera lens, and I can see with my mirror to all the oily part of your face. So I go in under here and just come a little bit here, my forehead. Like I said, I just automatically stop liking to apply a lot of product like on my forehead. You know, this part there is no foundation. This is what I'm zooming in. No foundation. So I come like this. I come like this with my powder. Can you see that? Can you see this? I'm just going around it. Can you see sucking up the oil in my face? You just have to know which shade of powder works for you. Working it around and putting it slightly on top of your blush and everywhere you've applied a product. Tap, 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 tap. Let it sit, then tap. Go over it as much as you feel comfortable. You can go here, it's blended in. That is it. So I take my pencil, black roll pencil, for my under eye. Now, not everybody likes to do this because I have zero air under my eye. Go under the waterline, and I like to bring it out of the corner because I have no what's it called, /. It's semi lining. I'm done lining my eyes, and now I'm going with my mascara. I don't know if I'm supposed to show you how to apply your mascara, but let's do it. Make sure the mirror is under your eye so you can pick every hair. I like to exaggerate my lash when I don't have lash extension on. Just keep going to create volume. There's definitely a big difference. My lip is my favorite part because it just makes it all come together. This is the darker shade. This is going to be my lip liner. Pay attention. So I go in to line, and because my lips are small and perky, I always line outside of the original line. Kind of blend it in with my wand. I either use this girl or this girl. Trust the process. Looks weird, but trust the process. This is the most important part. You cannot get it wrong. So it has to blend in. You don't know which one started. It just looks like it came from inside. Go in with an empty gloss wand, adjust it. My highlighter is like Fenty Beauty Standard with Nigeria brand. This is the brush I use. I take her and I just put her here. Can you already see? Yes. And I go in here as well. I'm weird with my highlighter. There's no rules actually, it's just what works. So I comb my nose bridge because I tend to sweat around those parts. So I like to go around my forehead, close to my hair. And I come here, close to my lip, and finally under my lip here, around here. Just play with it, guys. You just want to make sure you're sweating and you're glittering all over. Not too much. Wipe the excess away and just do you, boo. What's the worst that can happen? You sweat and you're going to be glowing. You have to go in with your powder. So if you overdo it, you just use your powder to adjust. Do that till you are satisfied. So this is the final look with my hairstyle. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Will you be trying this simple makeup look? I love it. This is cheek. For the sake of this video, I just decided to try another lip combination. I've already cleaned the formal lip stain. So I'm going with this. It's gonna give a different vibe. That's it. This is the 10 minutes makeup park. No foundation, no primer, no finishing spray. Honestly, I would have loved to use a finishing spray on this. That would just make it sit all day. But right now, I do not have any finishing spray. But this makeup girl, it has worked for me. And trust me, when I say trust me, I can go dancing, sweat, and this makeup will not move. What will probably happen is though my face is going to bring in more oil because I'm a combination skin girl, so my T-bone, there's going to be more oil, and I'm just going to be glowing, literally. just keep glowing. That's it, guys. So let me know if you like this video. If you like it, comment in the comment section what you like to see, what process, and share this with your subscribers. Let girls see that they can look good without wasting so much time and using so much product and still look chic. Yeah. So I'm gonna be taking pictures from every angle. You are fine. Thank you for joining my first YouTube makeup tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.